Good morning and welcome to the session where we learn success. We learn success from the book Master Money Sex Power. This book is written by the richest man who ever lived in this universe. Why he wrote such a book? So that you and I can read that book, benefit from that book, and become rich. Not just rich, become billionaires in our times. Today we are learning from chapter 30. Today is day 30. It talks about some relationships we need to have around us. Our life actually depends upon the people who talk to us, who communicate with us, who are in touch with us. It may be our relatives, our friends, our neighbors, our colleagues, our bosses, our subordinates, our parents. So these are the people around every one of us. Now, when you have the wrong people around you, they will make your life miserable. But when you have the right people, they will make your life a joyful journey. Now here it says, who should not be there in that list? I'll tell you something. There are some people who can never be satisfied. When you have such people as someone who is communicating to you or who is in touch with you day in and day out, soon you will be withered. You will be finished. You will have no strength in your life. Because they are all the time saying, give, 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 give. There is no satisfaction. How much you give, they still say, give. There is no way you can satisfy them. See, because they are empty inside. It is a level of emptiness which is inside them. Whatever you give them, it will never satisfy them. Whatever you give them, they will ask for more. They want to eat more or devour more. See, here it says, the leech has two daughters, give and give. They cry. These two daughters, the leech has. They only cry, give and give. Every day they cry, give and give. Every hour they cry, they give and give. And there are three things which will be never satisfied. And there are four things which never say enough. Never they can be satisfied. Never they will say enough. What a tragedy if somebody has people like this around them. Here it says, the grave, the barren womb, the land that is never satisfied with water, the fire that never says enough. There are four examples. And the leech. That's why we actually curse each other. You leech, you leech. Because many times people are like leeches. My friend, if you're really sensible, you need to stay away from the leeches. They have nothing else. They can never be satisfied. They can never appreciate your love. They can never appreciate your giving. They can never appreciate your sacrifice. It is never appreciating because they themselves are empty grave. They are empty. They can never be satisfied. They never will say enough. Now these are parasites which can be in your life, which can finish you off. If you really want to be happy, you keep your life away from these people. When such people are removed from your life will soon be happy. It will blossom. It will flower. It will flourish. Your life will be much better when you don't have these people in your life. No matter who they are, it is better to keep them at bay and put them in their place or turn them off so that you and I we can save our lives and be a happy and joyful person. Thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed today's session. We will meet tomorrow, same time. God bless you.